Cadillac was founded in 1902, making it one of the oldest automobile brands in the world. That's over a century of being the standard for luxury on the road.
The one thing Cadillac offers is the prestige, the history that comes with the Cadillac brand. Anyone who's trying to achieve something wants a Cadillac.
Right from the beginning, Cadillac has built a reputation for being the first to achieve important automotive milestones. Things like the enclosed cabin, electric starter, V8 engine, sunroof, electric seat warmers, and even more modern features like lane departure warning and blind spot monitor were all pioneered by Cadillac.
The one thing with Cadillac is they're always on the leading edge of technology. They're always pushing the limits to see what kind of technology that people will enjoy. The best of the best goes into the Cadillac.
You often hear about the Cadillac experience.
Simply, these cars are well built and they're very fun to drive. Anyone from sports celebrities to small business owners to teachers to lawyers. We have a luxury vehicle for almost anybody who want to treat themselves. We end up talking to a lot of people when we first meet them and they don't think that they're a Cadillac customer, but the more we investigate their needs and wants, we realize that they're perfect fit for the Cadillac, and most oftentimes they're driving home a new vehicle, and it's a Cadillac.
Once you get to enjoy the full Cadillac treatment, it'll be hard to stop.
All of our clients are very passionate about our product, and we provide the best service.
Maintenance is a huge part of the equation. Just drop your vehicle off, and the dealership takes care of the rest.
We can drop a car off for you, whatever we can do to make your life easier. The other side of it is you actually have no cost associated with that, so all your maintenance is paid for by Cadillac.
The brand is in the midst of overhauling its lineup with some exciting new models. So now is a great time to treat yourself to the Cadillac experience.